Okay, so hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about why you should learn Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. So let's dive right in. First off, Python is known for its simplicity and readability. Its syntax is clear and easy to understand, making it a great choice for beginners. Unlike other programming languages that can be, into, I mean, intimated with a complex syntax, Python feels like, you're writing plain English. With Python, you can focus more on solving problems and less on worrying about, the language itself. This makes it an excellent starting point for anyone new to programming. Next up, Python is incredibly versatile. It's used in a variety of fields, from web development and data science to artificial intelligence and automation. But whatever your interest is, there's a good chance Python can help you explore it. Whether you're building a website, analyzing data, or creating a machine learning model, Python's vast libraries and frameworks have got you covered. Another reason to learn Python is its its strong community support. There are countless tutorials, forums, and resources available online to help you on your learning journey. No matter what question you have, there's likely someone out there who has already found the answer. This sense of community can be a huge boost, especially when you're just starting out. Lastly, learning Python can open us many career opportunities. It's a highly sought after skill in the tech industry, and proficiency in Python can lead to roles in development, data analysis, machine learning, and more. Whether you're looking to start a new career or enhance your current one, Python is a valuable addition to your skill set. So there you have it. Python is simple, versatile, well supported, and in demand. If you're thinking about learning to program, Python is a fantastic place for a start. Thanks for watching and happy coding!